All right, we have about 10 candy canes here. Just put them right on top of your chocolate in your crock pot. Beautiful. All right, grab your whole milk. We're gonna need 6 cups of whole milk. This is a 4-cup measuring cup. So we'll do one of these. And then 2 more cups. Perfect. Ooh, do you see those candy canes already melting? That red just popping up.
That's awesome. I definitely prefer more chocolate though.
Okay, and then I have half and half, and I'm gonna do 3 cups of half and half. Now you can do whatever milk preferences you like, but I like whole milk, and then the half and half just makes it so creamy.
Oh, I was wondering why you're using half and half, but the creaminess makes sense.
Yep, 1 more cup of the half and half. Perfect.
I love hot chocolate.
What? How'd you know that's what I was making?
Oh, I mean, it's in a crock pot with chocolate
And milk.
and milk. Like, what do you expect?
Well, this is gonna be super special because we have those candy canes in there. Now, you said you wanted more chocolate. We have cocoa powder.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a half a cup of cocoa powder. Just
Is
right
that-
in there.
Is that blue thing a half a cup?
Of course.
Okay.
It's okay if a little bit gets escaped. Now we're just gonna sprinkle that right in there.
Ooh. That's what I'm talking about.
Ooh, perfect. Now let's go ahead and give this a nice mix. Make sure that cocoa powder's blended in with that milk. Very well mixed. We'll mix it again a little later, but
Okay,
let's
cool.
get this thing cooking.
All right, let's get it going.
All right, put this on, and then we're gonna set it on low, not high, low. All right, I put this on warm. Let's give it a good mix. Ooh.
Oh, the steam.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that chocolate bar completely melted. The candy canes completely melted. Ooh, this is gonna be a really good hot chocolate.
Looks
Yummy.
great.
Okay. Now, hot chocolate would not be ready without some
What?
marshmallows.
The jumbo.
Yeah, I love the jumbo because it just looks so good in that crock pot. Everyone just gets one big marshmallow in their cup.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Do a couple more.
Eat a serving per marshmallow.
Exactly.
All right.
Okay, now I'm creating a little hot chocolate bar here. So on one plate, I'm gonna do hot fudge. Great. Okay, and then this is peppermint hot chocolate, so I have my peppermint crunch.
Okay.
Perfect, that came out a lot easier.
Yeah, I didn't need a tool for that one.
All right, so I'm gonna grab my cute little cup, and I'm gonna get the rim all chocolate. Just like that. Ooh, okay.
Nice.
Right into the crunch. Look how cute that looks.
Oh my gosh.
Ready for our hot chocolate. Okay, let's get some of that goodness. Ooh. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. Best cup of hot cocoa. Now you could spike this hot cocoa, you could add some coffee in here, but I'm gonna drink it just as hot chocolate. Tastes like Christmas.